Hello my friends, Mora Patty here. Okay, now I want to make with you a craft for Lag BaOmer, okay? You know it is coming and we celebrate doing bonfires and making s'mores and having picnics. So what we'll do today is a craft and we will try to do a bonfire, okay? What we need is paper. Now, we have two different ways, okay? If you have color paper, I am using this. Red, orange, and yellow, okay? These are the colors that we normally use to represent fire, okay? We're gonna need these three colors and we're gonna need some brown for the wood, okay? So this brown can come from a paper bag, right? Or you can color if you don't have a color paper. If you don't have this, you can just use a plain white paper, okay? Plain white paper and use crayons, right? Or colors like I did right here. And you will color red, orange, and yellow, okay? It's gonna look the same. It's gonna be beautiful. But now, I don't want you to use scissors. I need torn paper. So what you're gonna do, you would tear the paper to make all these pieces, okay? So you grab your paper and with your fingers, you will do this. You see? You grab these two fingers and you tear the paper, okay? You grab it with one hand and you tear with the other one, and you will do this with all three colors, okay? There you go, until you have a lot of paper. Remember, if you don't have color paper, you color your paper with crayons and you will tear it the same way, okay? This is what I want, okay? And it's gonna look the same. So after that, what I need you to do is make a little figure of the fire. Oops, wrong side. You see what I did? I'm gonna show you. I did like a water drop or a raindrop, right? This, you see, I did this. And from here, I took some little pigs to pretend the fire. And it's gonna look kind of like this, but that doesn't matter because we're gonna glue the paper on top. So you will get your glue and start gluing the papers, okay? From all three colors. You're gonna start doing each color. You're gonna mix them, okay? So you're gonna be doing just like this. And you're gonna cover all this until you have something like this. You see how pretty? There you go. I like it. Do you hear my doggy? He's barking. I guess there's someone outside. And then you're gonna grab also your brown paper. You're gonna make a little rectangle and that is gonna be the wood, okay? Just like that. You see, I tore this paper too. And I make some little lines so it looks like wood. And the only thing you will do, you're gonna glue a couple of them on the bottom. You see how it looks like a fire? There you go. So you can do this. Remember, color paper, or if not, you can just color a white paper, okay? Now, if you have paint, you can do it with paint too. But I know, not all my friends have paint at home. But if you do, you're gonna do the same. You're gonna need red, orange, and yellow. Now, if you have red and yellow, you can make orange, okay? So what we're gonna do, look at my paper. We're just gonna put drops of each color everywhere. And you see, I don't mind where it goes. It can go anywhere I want to. right? You see, I don't have a pattern. I don't have an order. I'm just having fun with this, okay? So look at that. There you go. I have the 3 colors. And then you're gonna need some plastic wrap paper. You see, like those that your Ima has in the kitchen to put over the food. That. So I'm gonna cut a little rectangle and I will put it on top of my paper. You see how I put it? Just on top. And this is the fun part. I'm gonna grab my hands and I'm gonna start mixing it. And you see how I mix it? There you go. I put my fingers all over and I have fun and I mix it like that. And I see how all the colors mix. And these 3 colors are gonna make my paper look like fire. So let's see how it looks, okay? Now I'm gonna take my plastic off. And look, this beautiful fire. Oops. You see? It is really pretty. And then what I'm gonna do again with my brown paper, I just put some glue and I'm gonna put it there at the bottom, right? Because how do we make our fires? We put the wood, we light it up, and we have a nice fire for our picnics, to make some s'mores and have some fun. You see, these are 2 ways of do the same thing. I hope you like it, and I hope you do it, and you can decorate your house to remember, right? The Lag BaOmer is coming, the 33rd day of the Omer, right? You can put it in the kitchen, you can put it outside in your patio if you're gonna have a picnic that day in your backyard, and have fun. I will see you in the next video, my friends, and we're gonna go and make a snack for that same holiday. See you in a second.